Hello people, good mornings, good afternoon, another beautiful day. Yep, hope your five senses work, health and strength is good or excellent. What? On a Tuesday, oh wait a minute, Thursday. What's up with it? Alright, what I got for you? Okay, let's see here. Let's talk about home world for PC. Listen to this. What's up, Steam Deck fans and Orange Pie fans? You know, Steam Deck Tribe, Nation, Universe, World, Legion, what's good? Mob, what's happening? Squad, what's up? Nerds, geeks, and freaks, and you investigators. Alright, listen to this. Homeworld 3 gets delayed once more. The Homeworld 3 gets delayed once more time to May 13th to put in some final tweaks. Okay. Says here, Homeworld 3 is getting an unexpected delay in its release date. Just a few weeks before it was set to be launched on March 8th, the new release date for the long-awaited space-based RTS game sequel will now be May 13th. In a post on the game official site, developer Blackbird Interactive revealed that it had certainly invited some players outside the company to play an early full version of Homeworld 3. Based on the feedbacks of those players, Blackbird decided to delay the launch once again. See communications. Anyway, Blackbird stated this change will ensure that they are making the final tweaks needed to deliver at the end of the quality that we strive for and you deserve. It says here, this is the latest in a long string of delays for the games. When Homeworld 3 was first announced way back in 2019, it was supposed to come out in late 2022. In June 2022, it was announced that the game would launch in the first half of 2023. In May of 2023, another delay was announced, this time on February 2024. In November 2023, Blackbird revealed that we thought would be a firm launch date of March 8th. This latest pushback means the game will be getting closer to 2 years of its official launch time frame. And it says here, Blackbird did release a free demo of Homeworld 3 on Steam as a part of the Next Fest, Steam Next Fest. It showcased the war game mode. The demo will be available February 12th. Blackbird also suggests that because of this new release date, order for the collector edition of the game might have been canceled by Amazon and other retailers. A price at $174.99. The collector's edition still seems to be available on Amazon. With the old release date, Blackbird say, we are ensuring that the retail partners and previously had the CE for the sale have all of the updates information on the new release date, and will communicate that information as soon as possible. And it says here, it includes, among other things, 14-inch model of the game main mothership, along with small models of the game Hygarian destroyer, torpedo, frigate, and 3 Radeon ships information. You can also play the full version of the game there earlier on May 10th with the purchase of the collector's edition. Yeah, so that's the news on Homeworld. May 13th it is. So get ready for it. Now, for you Steam Deck fans, now what do I got for you? Now for you Steam Deck fans, what do I have for you? Oh, by the way, I did 2 videos earlier today, so I will drop that. I got one on Half-Life again, and another one on Valve and the Scalpers. So, yeah, when I'm done with this, then I'm going to drop all 3 at once. But anyway, alright, let's keep moving. What do we got? Let's see here. Okay, let's see what Gaming on Linux is talking about here. Let's see here. Says here, Helldiver is out. Here's how to run it on Steam Deck. Helldiver from Arrowhead Game Studio and PlayStation PC has arrived, and it caused issues for players on Steam Deck and desktop Linux. Here's some ways you can be able to get it to work What's the issue? It's using kernel level NP Protect Game Guard anti-cheat, which seems to be the cause of the problem. It also caused issue for people on Windows too. It seems going by some of the Steam forum posts on it. The developer has been the developer has even sorry about that, had to put up a statement on it and even dedicated Steam forums for it. On my desktop Linux with Ubuntu 23.10, it actually works right out of the box with Proton 8.0 through 5. However, others have been reported issues with it launching. While on Steam Deck, current latest preview, my testing there showed it simply wouldn't launch with Proton 8, 7, or Proton Experimental. Going by the Proton GitHub report that opened for it, a user mentioned that they got it to work on their desktop Linux install with GE Proton 55. So even though my desktop it works on Proton 8, trying out GE Proton 7 through 55 on Steam Deck, and yep, it works. It says here the big caveat, you need to launch it with GE Proton 7 through 55 in desktop mode. Something about NProtect Game Guard doesn't run in game mode. You'll also need to tap the screen to get controls on Steam Deck to actually work. So regardless of being on desktop Linux or Steam Deck, if you try out GE Proton, you should be able to get in game. Now, GE Proton, you need that for like Batman Arkham Asylum games, and you need that for Helldiver, and because you got Proton from Valve, Proton Hotfix, Proton Experimentals, and then there's GE Proton. So you need all those protons on your Steam Deck, just in case if you run into a problem with a game. Let's see here. What it says, how to install GE Proton. Here's how you do it. For Steam Deck, make sure you're in desktop mode. Steam button, power switch to desktop, and then Steam Deck / KDE Plasma. Open the Discover Store. In the search box, top left, type in Proton Up QT. Click it and hit install. Top right. Alternatively, on Steam Deck, if you have Decky Loader, you can also try the Wine Cellar plugin. Manual install /genome. Head to the official website, scroll down, pick your favorite download option, either app image or FlatHub on Genome Desktop. You can also download via Genome software. Now, using Proton Up QT, launch our Proton Up QT. Make sure it's set to Steam at the top. Click Add Version and scroll down to select to install GE Proton. Reload Steam to update the compatibility layer list. Install, and then desktop, right click a game and go to Properties, Steam Deck and Big Picture mode. Find a game in your library. Go to the little cog on the right and then select Properties. Okay? Yeah. And that's how you do it. So I'm sure Valve will come out with some updates for this game in the days to come, days and weeks to come. All right. Now, what else we got for you guys? Okay. Woo. Okay, let's see here. It says driving survival game Pacific Drive is very cool. Here's the fix for Steam Deck Linux. Pacific Drive is a first-person driving survival game with a demo now available. It's really interesting and nice. to see something different, but for Steam Deck and desktop Linux, it needs a fix to get it working. More about the game. Pacific Drive is a first-person driving survival game with your car as your only companion. Navigate a surreal reimagine of the Pacific Northwest and face supernatural dangers as you venture into Olympic exclusion zones. Each excursion into the wilderness brings unique and strange challenges as you restore and upgrade your car from an abandoned garage that act as your home base. Gather precious resources, investigate what's been left behind in the zone, unravel long-forgotten mysteries while learning exactly what it takes to survive in this unpredictable, hostile environment. And then it says, when you try to launch it, it will give you an error about Microsoft Visual C++ runtime, but it's easily to install using Proton tricks. The method is the same across Steam Deck and desktop Linux. For Steam Deck, make sure you're in desktop mode. Steam power, switch to desktop. Steam Deck KDE, open Discover Store. In the search box top left, type in Proton tricks and click it and hit install top right. And then manual install GNOME available via FlatHub on the game desktop. You can also download via GNOME software. Yeah, and that's the game for you. And that is that. All right. Now, what else I got for you? Since we talking video games here on the Steam Deck. Anything else? Oh, Heroes of Might and Magic. Are they getting another update? Dear fans of Heroes of Might and Magic and Floors project supporters, the team is excited to announce a new version of F Heroes 2 project 1.0.12 as the first update of this year. This time have made many changes in the survival aspect of the game since the last release. We are happy to share the details with you. One of the biggest areas is where the team had made huge improvements is the AI. First of all, we have made an important adjustment to the AI performance according to the difficulty level. This especially noticeably on easy and normal difficulty, and this will help players who are struggling with the difficulty level. Of course, secondly, the behavior of the AI heroes has been updated for several adventure maps objects. For most objects, the information available to the AI is now much more fair. Additionally, the AI will now expand its territory much more efficiently. Lastly, the team made significant improvements concerning the AI defensive battle tactics and surrender logic. The AI will apply more sophisticated tactics during battles, increasing the challenge for players. Also, now the AI will decide between surrendering and retreating from battles, just like human players do. All these changes will make the AI a more formidable opponent for many players. Yeah, so basically the AI is just emulating what you do. The second biggest area of progress is, of course, the editor. The team has finished adding all of the object present with this game into the editor. We have also updated the new map format to accommodate for future changes to expand it with new features. Most of the work is done, but there are several tasks remaining before releasing the brand new reworked editor to players and map makers. The F-Hero 2's editor is being built with the aim to be much more accessible and easier to work with compared to the original editor. And on top of this, the team spent the time publishing multiple user interface dialogues and improving performance of the image, and resources loading, fixing logic issues of architecture map adjust, and updating several translation. In total, more than 50 issues have been fixed in this release. Yeah. And it says, thank you so much for your invaluable support. We and we hope you'll enjoy this release. Full changelog installation guides on GOG. Alright, now, what else we got? For you Steam Deck fans, keep pushing. Alright, let's see here. Linux Gaming Performance Display Mango HUD version 0.71 is out now. And then it says Mango HUD is the fantastic tool you can use to display various amount of performance information while gaming on Linux. It's also what the Steam Deck uses for HUD 2. A new version 0.7.1 is out now. For reference, it can look a little like this. Then it says, if you like my... Here's the changes. It says, add support for GPU and Adreno GPUs. Add CPU temps for Zen Power 3 modules. Mason option Mango plot. Fix an issue that could cause crashes when accessing GPU fans. Fix an issue where now config present will use default Mango HUD preset. Fix crashing issues on CS2. Rework internal code should resolve issues when Mango HUD didn't shut down properly when using Intel GPU. Fix OpenGL runtime on LIBC system, and fix text outline color incorrect using BGR instead of RGB. And then it says, if you like my horizontal layout, you can find it more on GitHub. Then in the new release, these parameters have been changed. Gamepad battery has been reworked. The device battery, the parameter currently supports the Valve gamepad and mouse. Time now has a title. FPS metrics takes a decimal value of AVG .EG and AVG.0.0.1 on display. The metrics, line sync, show the current implementation and synchronization of our primitive EIGE sync F-sync, and then present mode, show the current Vulkan present mode, V-sync status, and OpenGL. You guys are good. Linux Gaming Performance Display Mango HUD version 0.7.1. You Linux gamers, Steam Deck fans, you're good. Alright, now, what else? Okay, what is this? You're going to need to take a break. You're going to need to take a mini shooter Boar Blaster away from me. Boar Blaster is a mining shooter from Scottish studio 8-Bit Skull, the same developer that also made Void Scrapper and Faith. Two other games I also quite like. It seems they're onto something again. This could easily end up replacing all those Horde survival games I have been playing with Vampire Survivor, Brotato, and all the others. It gives a similar sort of feeling with the repeated runs as you gather and upgrade, watch a lot of numbers go up, but in a rather different settings. Here you're given a gyrocopter with a machine gun drill to mine underground across various random islands, many with different biomes and creatures and special blocks to blast through. It's simply delicious, and with full native Linux and Steam Deck support. Yeah. And then it says game features fast-paced mining, bite-sized runs, unpunishing progress, unlockable characters, upgrade your gyrocopter, endless replayability. And this is Boar Blasters. Yeah. Anyway, anything else on the Steam Deck front? Nope. That is it. So, you Steam Deck fans, you're good. And Linux gamers, news, deals, games, update. Yeah. You guys are up to date, so I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, you need. But yeah, you know, you need. Let's see. Now you need Proton tricks, Proton hotfix, Proton experimental, Proton and GE Proton. That's 5 different protons you need, you know, on your Steam Deck install, you know, when it comes to games. So, when it comes to the Steam Deck now, your storage is important for all that, you know. And the internal storage is just for all those apps and updates for the system. But when it comes to games now, you want to run that off your your SD card, your external SSD, and so forth. So yeah, and keep your Steam Deck up to date, you know, when it comes to running games, you know. So yeah, but other than that, man, you Steam Deck fans, you're good. News, deals, games, updates, the usual stuff. Spring sale coming up. Today's February the 8th, so another, 2 weeks or so, and spring sale is here. Oh yeah, and yeah, you know, the Steam Deck just get updates. Games are being sorted, added to the list. Games coming in, and all that need updates. Then there's DLC and expansion for both. Yeah. Then you got your weekly PC sales. But then you got your season sales, spring sale, summer sale, autumn sale, winter sale. Oh yeah, on the Steam Deck. Mine is connected right now, so yeah. Got to keep that storage in check, man. Oh yeah. But other than that, you guys are you're good, and enjoy yourselves out there. Stay safe. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, still Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Or Dark Side. Go. Peace.